Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th, Subject English, Revision Part 1. Students, let us revise by answering these questions. So students, the passage starts from here and ends here. Okay. So first question, read the passage and answer the following questions. First, complete the following statements. In that A, Anshuman had no difficulty in dash, and here the options are given: pulling all of the large seedlings out, pulling all of the big seedlings out, pulling all of the small seedlings out. Okay, so if now here we have to find the answer. So come on, quickly find the answer. Okay, see here. Here is the sentence, that is Anshuman had no difficulty in pulling all of the small seedling out. So which one is the correct option? This one, last one, right? So we'll put a tick and then we'll write Anshuman had no difficulty in pulling all of the small seedlings out. Next, B. He was describing the specialities of various dash. Now the options are plants and vines and bushes of trees to mother, plants and vines and bushes and trees to Anshuman, then plants and vines and bushes and trees to father. Okay, so let us find the answer quickly. So read fast and find the answer. So see here, he was describing the specialities of various plants and vines and bushes and trees to Anshuman. So second one is the correct option. So answer, he was describing the specialities of various plants and vines and bushes and trees to Anshuman. Next, question number 2, answer the following questions. A. What did Anshuman refuse to believe? Now the options are Anshuman refused to believe that he was letting those good habits get a hold over him. Anshuman refused to believe that he was letting those bad habits get a hold over him. And last, Anshuman accepted to believe that he was letting those bad habits get a hold over him. Okay, so now let us find the answer. So read fast. Okay, the answer is here, right? He refused to believe that he was letting those bad habits get a hold over him. So the correct option is this one, right? So answer is Anshuman refused to believe that he was letting those bad habits get a hold over him. Next, B. Were Anshuman's parents successful in correcting him? Options are no, Anshuman was successful in correcting his parents. Then next, yes, Anshuman's parents were successful in correcting him. Next, no, Anshuman's parents were not successful in correcting him. Okay, so let us find the answer. So see here from these lines, that is naturally they began to warn him time and again, but all in vain. Anshuman just won't listen. Right, so according to these lines, our last option is correct. That is no, Anshuman's parents were not successful in correcting him. C. What did Anshuman's father want him to pull out from the ground? Now let us look at the options. So first, Anshuman's father wanted him to pull out a weed from the ground. Then next, Anshuman's father wanted him to pull out a fruit from the ground. And last, Anshuman's father wanted him to pull out a seed from the ground. Okay, so students, as we have seen here, right, Anshuman, that's a wheat, can you pull it out? Then here Anshuman's father told him to pull out this plant too. He told him to uproot the wheat carefully, making sure that no trace of the roots were was left in the soil. Okay, from these lines we can get the information that Anshuman's father wanted him to pull out a wheat from the ground. So answer, Anshuman's father wanted him to pull out a wheat from the ground. Question number 3. Find the opposites of the following words from the passage. A. Happy. Now we have to find the opposite word of happy. Okay, so let us find from these only we have to find. Okay, so here as we can see, happy, unhappy. Okay, so the answer is what? Unhappy. Next B1 is mother. Okay, so here the options are given: brother, sister, father. So as we can see, the option is here, father, right? So the last one is the correct option. So mother opposite is father. Question number 4. Find the words from the passage which means. So A. Without any success. Now the options are in vain, next opportunity, and last one is correct. Okay, so let us find the word from the passage which means without any success. So see here, it is here, in vain, right? So the correct option is first one. So answer, without any success, that is in vain. Question number 5. Do as directed. A. Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents. And now here in the bracket it is given, state the perfect tense. So students, as we can see here, Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents, right? So this is which tense? This is past perfect tense. So second one is the correct answer, that is past perfect tense. Then next B, write the comparative degree of big. Okay, so let us find. Now these options are given: bigger, biggest, bigs. Okay, so now we will find. So as we can see, it is here, right? It is bigger. So comparative degree of big is bigger. So the correct answer is bigger. C. He was describing the specialities of various plants and vines and bushes and trees to Anshuman. Now state the continuous tense. Okay, so students, as we saw, the sentence was here, that was he was describing. Means this is which continuous tense? This is past continuous tense, right? So answer is past continuous tense. Now students, let us read the poem and answer the following questions. Okay, so first answer the following questions. In that A, what do you see in the pretty sky? Now the options are given, that is we see stars in the pretty sky, we see lambs in the pretty sky, we see flowers in the pretty sky. Okay, so now let us look for the answer in the poem. So it is here, right? 100 of stars in the pretty sky. It means we see stars in the pretty sky. So first option is the correct one. So answer, we see stars in the pretty sky. B, what do you find on the shore? So now the options are, we find 100 of bees on the shore, we find hundreds of fishes on the shore, we find hundreds of shells on the shore. So now let us look for the answer. So here see, 100 of shells on the shore together. So we find what? We find hundreds of shells. So this one is the correct option. So answer, we find hundreds of shells on the shore. C, where do we find hundreds of bees? So options are given, we find hundreds of bees in the purple clover, we find hundreds of bees in the yellow clover, and we find hundreds of bees in the red clover. So let us find the answer. So here see, hundreds of bees in the purple clover. So first one is the correct option, right? So we find hundreds of bees in the purple clover. Next, question number 2. Find the opposite of the following word from the poem. Okay, so A, that is out. Now we have to find the opposite word of this word from the poem. So now the options are given: down, side, in. So now let us look at the answer, students. So the answer is here, right? In. So the opposite of out is in. Next, question number 3. Identify the correct rhyming words from the given option. So A, lawn. Now the options are given: lawn, sunny, lawn, dawn, lawn, lamb. So we can see the correct one is dawn and lawn. So lawn, dawn is the correct option. Next, B1 is sky. So sky, weather, sky, star, sky, by. These are the options given. So let us look for the answer. So it is here, sky, by. Okay. So this one is the correct option. That is sky, by. Question number 4. Do as directed. A, hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. And in the bracket it is given, identify the adjectives from the sentence. Okay. Now let us look at the option. So in, pretty, stars. So these are the options given. And so students, we have to identify the adjective from the sentence. So as we can see here, 100 of stars in the pretty sky. Right? So in is not an adjective and stars is also not an adjective. So what is the adjective? It is pretty. Right? So pretty is an adjective. And so second option is the correct one. B, but only one mother the wide world over. Now here in the bracket it is written, identify the adjective of number from the sentence. Okay, so now the options are given: one, but, over. Right here. So as we can see, one is the adjectives of number. So first one is the correct option.